Oh my gosh! The chimp just grabbed the monkey by the tail and slammed it onto the ground multiple times. So what exactly happened here? It turns out the monkey had been teasing the chimp over and over. At first, the chimp tried to ignore it, but the monkey just got bolder. It even went as far as stealing the chimp's food. That's when the chimp finally snapped. He grabbed the monkey and lashed out with full force. The monkey instantly panicked. All it wanted now was to run home to its mother. In the heat of the fight, the chimp bit the monkey's arm. It was a brutal moment, and the monkey ended up paying a heavy price for its actions. Do you think the chimp went too far?